Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to keep indoor dogs entertained? Let's explore. Keeping indoor dogs entertained requires a mix of physical activity and mental stimulation. One effective way to engage them is through interactive toys, such as puzzle feeders or treat dispensing toys. These toys challenge your dog to work for their treats or food, keeping their mind active and occupied. Regular play sessions are also important for indoor dogs. Games like tug-of-war, hide-and-seek, or short training sessions where they learn new commands can keep them mentally sharp and physically engaged. Rotating toys every few days can keep your dog interested and prevent boredom. Indoor dogs also benefit from short bursts of exercise. Even if space is limited, activities like fetch down a hallway or running up and down stairs can help burn off energy. For mental stimulation, teaching your dog new tricks or commands provides a productive way to use their energy. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.